Well, a couple pretty shitty days, but well worth it in the end. Because if you can listen closely, that is running water. And I miss running water when I don't have it. But even though I always show you guys the pretty things I see, you gotta see the ugly things I see, like those blisters. Road badges. But check this shit out. Got my own little sandbar here to lay on. I'm not cuddled up beside a highway, which I kind of am because it's up there. But there's no trespassing signs here, so until somebody comes and tells me I can't be here, I'm going to be here. You have been fucking being here. That's right. Oh yeah.